That's you, Stuart. M0TTQ. I'm going to try to work you. I'm going to park you on my little thing. Hang on. All right. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, that was fun. Oh, that was fun. What a grin. Hang on, man. Just Stuart, that was so fun, man. That was the second time we worked. And this time with 1 watt. Hey, good job, old man. I don't know what your receiving conditions are, Stuart. You know, QRM wise or QRN. Here in Michigan and the States, the band is pretty awful. They've been awful. We've had a nasty geomagnetic storm. But the bands are starting to come back to life, and dang, man. What a thrill. Thanks, man. Thanks, Stuart. Good job. Good luck. I hope you did well on your activation, man. 73. And not to embarrass anybody, but that man there is a superb operator. A superb operator. You know, guys, in the other video I did the other day, I made the comment that my nerves were frazzled. You know what? They are again. When I have something like that happen, like working Stuart, M0TTQ, oh man, my nerves are shot. And I don't know why. It's the thrill of it, I guess. It's the adrenaline rush. Oh man, the adrenaline rush? Do I get an adrenaline rush? Oh, Jesus. I've still got pins and needles in my hands and arms. You know, my heart's still racing. And it's been 15 minutes or whatever. I'm still enjoying the rush. Is QRPP addictive? Oh my God, yes. What else in life gives you this kind of adrenaline rush? Very few things in life. And the ones that do don't last. This has lasted a whole lifetime. Oh my God. Yeah, thanks, Stuart.
Victor Echo 3, Lima Bravo Indy. I got you 5-9, New Hampshire. All right, thank you for the 5-9 to Hamilton, Ontario, Larry. You have a great afternoon in 73.
Listen.
This is Alpha Charlie 1, Romeo Hotel, QRZ.
Tito Echo 4 Uniform November.
Italy Zulu 1, United. Alrighty, this is Alpha Charlie 1, Romeo Hotel, QRZ.
Oh, you know.
Hotel, calling CQ, park from the air.
Kilo Charlie 1.